So I got my Smile Boutique package today. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so it comes with your 4 trays and your 2, I don't know how you would call this, that you mix, numbers 1 and 2. You have your top and your bottoms. As you can see, the bottoms do not have a middle, that's for your top. What you're going to do is you're going to see which sizes fit you. This seems like a good fit for my top. And this is the size I would use for my bottom. So what you do here is you open number 1 and number 2 and you mix them together. So you have one soft color. This is what you should have. And then what you're going to do is you're going to make like a long sausage shape. You're going to lay down in the tray. As so. Then you are going to bite into it, push it up, and keep it in there for 3 minutes. Ready? Okay, welcome back. So this is what it should look like. I'm going to do the bottom half the same way now. I'll be right back. Alright, the bottom's done also. So now what you do is you send your top and your bottom in the Smile Boutique box back to the lab, and you will get it back in a week.